Another video, and in this video guys I'm going to explain what the Clickfunnels affiliate program is, how you can sign up, and what the commission structure is like. So the reason why I wanted to make this video is because I get a lot of questions about like what Clickfunnels is it a recurring program, meaning do you get paid every single month? I'm going to answer all those different questions that everyone may have, but before I do that I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe and hit that alert button so you know when I post a new video. I post videos about Clickfunnels, tutorials, reviews, chatbots, just different things in the marketing space. So if you're new to the channel, welcome, but also subscribe so you know when I post a new video. So on your screen right now, you see probably the Clickfunnels dashboard, and this is my affiliate area, and you can see I'm signed in, and you can see I made $38 today. So we'll talk about this area in a second. But what I really want to show you guys is my monthly reoccurring revenue. So this little thing right here, MRR. So to answer the first question that I keep getting is Clickfunnels a reoccurring program? Yes, it is. Meaning that every single month, as I get more people signed up underneath me, I'm making a percentage of that. So the first question is, yes, it is a reoccurring program. The second question that people ask is, how much is the affiliate payout? Okay, that is 40%. Okay, so Clickfunnels has two payment structures. I actually made a video about the payment plans, and I'll link a video, the video above. But it has two payment plans. Excuse me. One is $97 a month, and the other is $297 a month. So meaning either I'm getting 40% of $97, or I'm getting 40% of $297 a month per person. Now, this MRR, monthly recurring revenue, is $1,571.20. So I'm making that much money per month, every single month, right? Now, if we scroll back up here, you can see here that I have $1,000, $1,316 pending, and you're probably saying, well, Jelani, I thought you said, you make $1,500 a month. Why haven't you been paid that out? The reason for that is because Clickfunnels has a 30-day trial, or 30-day cooling off period. Not even a cooling off period. So let me just run this back. So when someone signs up for the 2-week free trial, right, they get 2 weeks to try it out. After that 2 weeks and they make their first payment, you have to wait 30 days plus another 14 days for a cooling off period. And I think it's 14 or 15 days. I believe it's 14. But the cooling off period is basically so that person, or Clickfunnels knows that person is an actual affiliate or actual customer, excuse me. So they basically wait 45 days essentially before you get paid out that MRR. So right now I have $1,300 pending, meaning that I'm still in that waiting period, that cooling off period, if you will, before I actually get that money. But it doesn't really matter because I know if they would have bounced off, they would have done it by now. And this actually is coming up for an end actually. This 30-day period, or the 45-day period, is actually ending for these for this payout, and I know that because I keep tracks of it. And you can do that as well by just changing the date range, and you can download your commission details and all that good stuff. But the point is that every single month I'm getting paid. Now, the reason that I want to show you guys this video is because I believe that Clickfunnels is one of the best programs to promote right now. Why? Because you get money every single month, 40%, and it's a high ticket product. Like $300 a month for a program is a lot, and you get 40% of that. So if someone signs up for the $97 a month, you get $38.80, which you see here, and every day you make a sale comes into this little area here. And if they sign up for the $297 a month plan, you get $118.80 per month. So let's actually just filter this by the last 30 days, right? So I can show you guys this area, and you can see how many people are signed up based on the actual plan that they're on. So if I scroll down here, you can see that I got 5 people on the full suite, 11 people on the startup, 2 people on ActionX MD, 1 person on the full suite Funnel Hacks, and then 1 person on the full suite now. This does not include, actually let's go this year. Let's filter that out. Because the last 30 days. Okay, so this year, yes, that makes more sense. Like 3,000, That kind of matches up how much I've been paid minus 400. I think if I go all time, it should match up to the how much I've been paid. So let's see. Yeah, give or take about like $100 off so far. But the point is, you can see that I'm making money every single month. And I've only been promoting this for about a year now, so I'm almost at $5,000 lifetime earnings, which is awesome. And then I'm getting $1,500 a month every single month. So if I go into my affiliate link, so I want to show you guys where you can actually get your affiliate link. So if you don't have a Clickfunnels account and you're like, whoa, where's all this stuff? What you want to do is sign up for an account, click the link below, and then you'll get access to the affiliate area, and then you'll be able to start promoting it as well. But the whole point of this is to get people underneath you, so then you can try to win the dream car. Now, what is the dream car? The dream car is basically if you get 100 people underneath you, which is this little blue flag here, Clickfunnels will give you $500 a month towards a lease on a car of your choosing. If you get 200 active members, they'll give you $1,000 a month for the car, right? So right now I have 24 people underneath me, so I am not that far away. I mean, it's kind of far, but it's reachable, right? Like I'm almost at 100 people that I can get a dream car plus all that reoccurring revenue. I think 100 people probably averages around like $6K a month every single month that you're getting in just passive income just by having people underneath you and you don't have to do any other work besides just rack in the money. So once you sign into the affiliate area, you click on that link, and then what you want to do is you want to scroll down, and this is what you promote. This is what I promote. I promote the free 14-day trial, and then you can they have different pages for different things. So like if you're trying to promote someone to e-commerce or info products or agencies, whatever, you just select the one, or you could just have the standard Clickfunnels trial. And then, for example, I can put in YouTube here for the sub ID so I know where that trial is coming from, and then boom, I can keep track of where everything is. So the Clickfunnels affiliate program is something that I would highly recommend anyone that's trying to look for a high ticket, I would say not really high ticket, but like medium to high ticket offer that you can get like month after month after month. And that's definitely something you want to look into. But there's all these different type of offers that you can promote besides the 14-day trial. Like they have so many different options that you can promote, and this is actually all time, so about a year, and you can see that I've been promoting different things in these different products that they have. So you can see I'm just racking in money throughout different programs besides the actual Clickfunnels platform, the software. So what you want to do is click the link below, get a Clickfunnels free trial, 2-week free trial, try out the software itself, but also get that affiliate access area up and running, so then you can start promoting Clickfunnels, because honestly it's one of the best programs to promote, and I'm not just saying that just because I promote it. It's actually one of the best. Not only do they give you a dream car if you hit 100 active members, but they pay out every single month on time. There's no hassle. There's nothing like, oh, I'm not getting paid this month, I don't know, like, because sometimes affiliate programs, they'll like you have to email the affiliate manager because your payout is not on time. That has never happened to me at all with Clickfunnels. Another huge thing that they do that a lot of affiliate programs do not do is they actually give you the emails of all the people who sign up or potential signups underneath you. So like you can email these people and say, hey, like I saw you were gonna go on a trial. Maybe I can give you some tips and tricks and techniques on what you can do to maximize your business or maximize someone else's business or maximize your affiliate business, whatever it is that you're trying to get that person to use Clickfunnels for. They give you their email address so that you can really make a relationship with that person so they can stay longer, because the longer they stay, the more money you're going to make. And essentially that's the whole goal, to just have reoccurring revenue every single month, and you not really doing anything besides just sitting back and focusing on other aspects of your businesses or your life, right? And then you can reinvest this money that you're getting every single month and then start promoting other offers so that you have different revenue streams, income streams. So you're just making more money every month after month after month after month. But the point is, ClickFunnels is something that you definitely want to look into in terms of the affiliate program. Not only are you getting the email addresses of people who are going to be potential affiliates, but you're also getting 40% of that person's payment every single month, which is awesome, right? So I would highly recommend it. Again, just click the link below to get started. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know.